Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just want to show you a little bit about this product. So this is the K2 meter. This is the original one made in the USA. You can tell with this sticker on it. So if the sticker's black, that's the original one, and the Chinese one usually has the white writing on it. So yeah, this is the high quality model, which is more expensive. Yeah, made in the USA. Yeah, so basically spirits, ghosts give off electrical energy, or they can manipulate EMF fields. So basically we use this as a detector to detect their presence or presence of their activity. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, it comes with a nice little box and some basic instructions as well. So how we'd normally use this is, we turn it on with the on button. The batteries come included. It takes a 9-volt square battery, but you can replace that by taking the 2 screws out the back. Green light show it's on. If it detects a little bit of EMF, you'll see the second green light. If it's stronger, third light, fourth light, fifth light, and it says there as well what level of milligauss each of those lights and readings are. So yeah, how we normally use this is walk around when you get to your location. If you start getting a spike, I'd start looking at it if it could be anything man-made. See if you're close to any power cables or electrical equipment or anything else that can give off EMF readings. Make sure you're not near any magnets or anything. Check your phone's on airplane mode so it's not sending out or receiving any signals. And if you can't explain why the reading was picked up, you can then start looking on the paranormal route, and that'd be a good time to get out a spirit box or an EVP recorder in that location where you got the reading. See if we can get anything further. Or you can just place this down somewhere where you can see it while you do other things. And if you do start getting readings on it, you can either switch to a different device, or you can potentially use it to ask yes and no questions by asking it to light lights up for a yes and not lights up for a no, things like that. So yeah, I'll put a link to this product in the video description, and thanks for watching.